All right, welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Here comes the afternoon update of my trading plan and cryptocurrency trading analysis on August 19th. What we're seeing here is something that's very interesting. Bitcoin has made a significant comeback. It's now at 46,000, up from 44 yesterday. This is a very, very strong uptrend that broke the previous downward trend. So I am very hopeful that the price will probably, I said probably, right? 30% to 45% maybe. I put all of that number sort of thing there because this is what technical analysis is about, right? Just pulling numbers sort of thing there. Anyways, there's a very, very strong chance that Bitcoin will continue this upward trend just because look at the size of this candlestick. Look at it. Just look at it. Amazing. I'm not promoting the idea of size matters, but when you are looking at the size like this, it's hard not to imagine anything, that you will not get a happy ending. Oh well, yes. So coming back to, let's dive right into it. I don't have time for this. I'm gonna focus on technical analysis for now. All right. So what I'll do for the afternoon quick update is I will quickly look at different, mostly on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart. Mostly I will focus on the 4-hour and 1-hour chart to look for trading opportunities for the rest of the day, or even perhaps tomorrow morning before I do another update. So this is and what I do here mostly is only applicable to my own trading style and system. But in the meantime, I can probably provide you with some, idea in terms of what needs to be done. Hopefully it can help you to create your own trading plan. Don't just copy mine because I have very specific tight stop loss system that makes this a success without spilling, without wasting too much money trying to find the good trend. All right, I'm not making sense anymore. But anyways, so long story short, focus on the way that I make analysis. Don't just simply copy when I'm planning to get into the market because that changes almost every 5 to 10 minutes. All right, what I'm doing is just I'm marking. I'm trying to create a very vague trading plan to guide me and people who like me to plan out the trade for the next few hours, basically. So let's dive right into it. All right. Very strong growth from here, very strong. Unfortunately I didn't have any positions open because I slept in today. I didn't wake up early enough. So this was like 5 a.m. right? I should have. Yeah, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. Starting tomorrow, and there's another opportunity here to get into the market. So this is a very, very clear step back right here, right? This retest of the support line here. I was sending my kids to school. He has summer camp, and I had to pick him up at about 11 and then send him to school. Right, talking about the amount of money that you have to spend. They're totally ignoring the amount of money that you're missing while spending time with your kid. That's totally underrated. Do not spend time with your kid at all because that means that you will not have time to make money. All right. So what are we gonna do? Most people would probably miss the trading opportunity here. So let's do a quick. I'm gonna show you. Let's do a quick support and resistance for the hourly time frame, right? So so that we can find out how we're gonna plan out our trade next. The most recent, what we're gonna do, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to plan out, well, I will draw both the support and resistance on the hourly or even 4-hour time frame for the next, well, for according to the most recent candlesticks. All right, so it doesn't need to be very accurate. So what I'll do is I'll probably, oh, this looks like a good support resistance. Maybe this, it could be, yeah, this might also work, depending on how you look at it, right? Because there's some pretty interesting swap of like the reason that I was hesitating is because of this part. But then again, you know, look at how far away it is. I probably shouldn't spend so much focus on it. Let's zoom in a little bit and then try to find the support resistance swap here. So this could be a good one. And then look at here. So for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candlesticks, this is what it looks like. All right, this is very short term. Keep in mind that this is an hourly time frame, right? And we are probably going to be trading in between this because this looks like a very good consolidation area. I wouldn't do anything right now just because you know, we're in the middle of this this consolidation. I will be actively trading only when price go up like this, or it drops down and then bounces back at about this area. So right now it's not a good idea to get into the market. If you really have to, well, I would wait because it's just you know, there has been some significant uptrend here, and people who are placing long positions, they have already gotten, you know, very significant profit here. Chances are they might be dumping here and then it goes all the way down. You don't want to be that guy. You don't want to be the guy who goes in, opens a long position at the top of the price. So, and I don't want to be that guy either. Well, I will probably just wait because this is not the best position that I want to get into. If you insist, you probably will be able to find some position, you know, if you dive in. Oops, crazy chart. So there might be, you know, if you zoom in a little bit on the 5-minute or 15-minute chart, you might be able to find some opportunities here. But I wouldn't. It just looks messy. It just looks messy. I don't want to be the guy. I don't feel safe trading here because I usually trade with a pretty large position. You know, I need to be more sure than I want to be before I open the position. You should do that too if you are trading futures or perpetual contract. Even, you know, for even if you're just buying spot, still, you know, you should take your risk into consideration. So I guess for the rest of the day, I will be patiently waiting either at the bottom of this range, or I will wait here, somewhere here. I'll wait at the top of this range so that, you know, when the price goes to the top or comes to the bottom, I will be alerted. But right now, my plan is just to wait. I don't see any opportunities. Other people may have a different, you know, view, but I just want to be on the safe side. All right, ETH. So we have something similar for Ethereum. Really significant price, really significant growth here, and it has been doing some level of consolidation, but slowly. Like, do you notice that the bottom, it's slowly increasing? But still, this is a good sign, but it doesn't mean that it's safe to get in right away, right? I'll get rid of this blue line. I don't know why I had it there, but I'm just gonna adjust based on the hour. Okay, this is hard. All right. Okay, so this looks like it. It's a very you know, this is the previously resistance, now support. And then I will probably move this up like, I don't know. Okay, maybe here. Okay, all right. So what I'll do is I will patiently wait. Same deal, right? I'll move this alert here. Somewhere here. I'll wait for the price to come back down. Or shoot up again. All right, so this is my plan. I'll just be waiting for the price to go up and down at the right time before I dive into the market. So nothing to do for Ethereum's, just to be on the safe side. I don't want to, go in there and then trade without assessing my risk. All right, ICP is the next. What am I gonna do? Okay, what am I gonna do? This is messy. Sometimes I don't recognize the pattern. Okay, so it's a reasonably clear resistance right here on the hourly chart. I'm gonna delete this, and then let's see if I can find a clear support. Maybe that. I don't know. This is messy too. The reason that I don't like trade alter coins is because look at the size of the candlestick. Look at the size of the shadow here, the wicks, right? The price goes up and down. It's very, very difficult to do very close, very, very short stop loss. My entire system relies on short stop loss so that I can mitigate the potential risk. And then when I get into at the right moment, I will make a lot of profit. But if I get into the wrong moment, I will not lose a lot of money. However, that system doesn't work very well when you have shadows or wicks shooting up like this. So I tend not to focus too much on the altcoin. But this is, let me see. I don't know. It's a little bit difficult to do a support here. Maybe here. And then what I'll do is I will, because we're looking at the hourly time frame, right? There's a couple candlesticks consolidating here, makes it reasonably well. It's an interesting chart, right? And I will also set up an alert here if the price goes up like this, boop, 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 and then wait for the retest at 68, then I'll get in at about this price. All right, so this is the one of the safest trading plans, right? I don't want to risk anything. I don't want to get in at the wrong time. I only want to get in when the probability of the price increase is on the higher side, or at least a very strong support is it's verified by the last few candlesticks. So this is ICP, Uniswap. I think Uniswap still have a lot of growth. It's just for what it is. Look at this, right? The consolidation, the range is very, very big. It goes up and down for like 20-30% now for the last few days. And I don't really know, but if we were to zoom in a little bit, right? I'll make it short. I like the sticks short. It's clear that this is a support, the most recent support. And then there's this, I'll put it here. Maybe I'll put it here. So this is a resistance and a support for the most recent few candle bars. Uniswap is just interesting because look at it. It has just made a breakout into this area, and it's doing a retest of this support line. And this is probably an opportunity for me to get into. I will be actively trading for Uniswap for the next 5 to 15 minutes, just because this has the kind of graph that I want. So if I were to do a quick Adams reflection here, okay, it looks like it's going to hit 29 from 27. Nice. Okay, so that's a very nice, at least 10-15% growth. And what I'll do is I'll dive into the smaller time frame. Maybe, oh, okay, I kind of missed the best opportunity already. So this, look at the chart, right? This is the best opportunity to get in. That happened about an hour ago, 2 hours ago. But there are still opportunities, maybe. All right. Well, yeah, this is a bit too far away from where I want it to be. But maybe it's gonna give me an opportunity to come down to the support level to pick me up. And then once the price hits here and the support gets validated, I will get in here at 27.43, and then hopefully it'll go up like this, and my stop loss will be very closely set to 27, around 27, so that if the probability doesn't work in my favor, I will not lose too much money. All right, so that's it for Uniswap. I'll be paying very close attention to Uniswap because it's getting very close to where I want it to be. And also, I'll just set up an alert to let me know if it suddenly shoots up. I will know what happens. All right, so that's for Uniswap. BNB, wow, BNB has made some significant growth earlier this morning. I completely missed it, just because I haven't really paying too much attention on BNB because it hasn't done that well compared to other coins, for the last few days. I only have limited focus. And my recommendation to you as well is, don't spend too much time focusing on, too many coins. Focus on maybe 2 to 3 coins that you constantly follow. Make sure that you know the trend, and it makes trading much easier. And it's easy to get lost amongst all these different coins. If you're always chasing the one that that shoots up, then there will always be new ones, and then you'll find yourself lost in the sea of coins and not knowing what to do. All right, so what are we gonna do about BNB? Let's look at the 4-hour chart. Okay, very strong growth, such as just like the other ones. Okay, the support resistance could be here. All right, just vaguely, for the last few hours. Okay, that's maybe it. I don't know. So if I were to do a quick Adams reflection, it could be going up to 450 if the trend continues, but we don't know, right? We'll just have to do these couple ones, make sure that, let's see. All right, so if it hits back down, then there's opportunity to go up. And I think there's definitely opportunity for BNB to be I don't know, I don't like the trend. It's going up and down within a very small range. I don't know. I'll wait for breakout. Or I'll wait for revalidation of the support at 425. If the price comes to 425, it doesn't break 425 for a few candlesticks, then I will give it a try. I'll do because if the price can't So another methodology is that if the price can't go any lower, it means there's strong support at this part, and there's a strong opportunity that the price will slowly go up. So if you see the price chart doing this, it's worth a try to test out if this theory works. All right, but the successful rate is usually lower than significant breakout, then come back, then shoot up, right? But that's just another pattern that I pay very close attention to. All right, so that's BNB. And then Solana. Okay, Solana is... All right, so I bought Solana at about 64, 65, and then I sold at 76 because it broke resistance here. And the price is slowly coming back up. I didn't do anything yesterday. So, all right, the support and resistance looks okay. I mean, I probably did this earlier this morning and it seems to be working fine. So I'm still the same thing, right? I'm still looking for, it could be a range, it could be a consolidation, you know, right within this range. We don't know yet, but the last thing we want to do is to get into the market right now. There's just you don't know where the price could be heading, and the best thing to do is still waiting for a more clear direction from the price, because the market is always right. Remember, the price is always right. Wait for the price to tell us which direction it wants to go. But a good thing is that if you look at here, right, the bottom is slowly going up. So chances are it might bounce a little bit here and then, oops. And if the $75 support can be confirmed again, I'll get in here. But then again, one other thing is if you look at the bigger picture here, right? Look at this. Look at this. Solana is at all-time high, almost all-time high. I will not be very actively, trading, at least open in a long position here until the trend is really there, because I don't feel comfortable. That's just my gut feeling. I usually don't do things like this. But then if the trend is there, why not, right? But if there's no trend, or it shows very, very short, like it's right now the trend is still there. See, it's doing very, very nice, and chances are it might be hitting all-time high again very quickly. So once that's confirmed, I will buy in here, but I will definitely not put in. I will not sell my house and then put everything into Solana right now, just because it's at all-time high. And my recommendation to you is you don't do the same. All right. So FTT. Okay, another very nice breakout. I kind of oh my, it's my cat. I kind of told you guys about the FTT yesterday, and the growth has been, wow, it's really nice. But I don't know what to do right now. Let's see. Let's switch to the 1 hourly time frame. So it looks like that we are okay. Here we go. This might make sense. So the support and resistance somewhat can be, yeah, it's messing. All right, so here we go. Maybe this will make more sense. Okay, so what are we gonna do? All right. Actually, no. I can't make out what to do here with FTT. Just hold. Don't sell. The trend is there. I'm probably gonna be I'm going to hold a bit longer just to make sure you know the trend continues, and then I'll set up alarm here. If it drops down to here, it's probably a good opportunity to get in, because this is also a reasonable support. Although I put the support here, maybe here, yeah, that could be it. But right now, looking at FTT, it's a bit messy. It's a very messy chart. I don't know. I don't know. I can't tell. You know, there are situations like this where the chart doesn't make sense, and if it doesn't make sense, my recommendation is to just hold, because you don't have to trade all the time. You can only trade the chart that you know and you understand, or at least you have a higher, at least you have an understanding of, you know, this might work, right? That you have a pretty good understanding of the risks, and you know, if you don't understand the chart, it's perfectly fine. I only know about 5-10% of the chart, and I only trade the ones that I know, and that's already enough, right? You don't have to know all the chart. So I don't know. You know, I do enjoy the price, the shooting up. It's, you know, because I have a lot of FTT, but I don't know what to do right now, especially on the futures contract side. Don't trade, like, yeah, I'll hold on. Okay, I'm just gonna hold. Dot, I don't know. Dogecoin. The reason I skipped Dot is I don't really spend that much of a focus onto Dot, just because, you know, it's not that exciting anyways. But if you have to, the support and resistance is very clear here. Look, all right, it's reasonable. You can probably do this and here, right? But just like the other ones, it's still in the middle, and then I'll wait for it to either break out like this, or wait for it to drop down here to 25.78, and then look for opportunities to get in. Okay, so Dogecoin, Doge. There are a lot of good news about Dogecoin. You know, Elon Musk joining the whatever, you know, community, but you know, I don't buy on rumors. I don't buy on news, actually. It's up to you what you want to do, but I only trust the chart, because the chart is the truth and the only truth. Everything out there could be just a smoke screen, but the chart doesn't lie. The price doesn't lie. So what are we looking at here? Okay, so the support is here. It could be here, right? This is a interesting support level. I don't know. This looks messy, so maybe here. I'll put it here. Same thing, right? Range consolidation. I'll wait for Doge to come down here or come out here, but it's very close to the bottom. But you know, after some level of significant growth, like after that, there's a strong possibility of Dogecoin to come down, just because of the trend. But I could be wrong. I do have a reasonable amount of Dogecoin, so I don't want it to go down. But then, you know, let's focus on the chart. AVAX has been doing great, but I don't know what to do though. Look at this. So here, okay, wow, and maybe here. All right, so support, resistance, we're in the middle of the consolidation. What to do? You know what to do, right? Wait for the price to come down, or wait for the price to break through. Okay. So Cardano has been growing like crazy, right? The price is just unbelievable, unbelievable. What are we gonna do? I mean, I don't. It's almost hitting all-time high. I will be, I will be conservative. I don't want to, get in here. Look at this, right? I don't want to get in here because it makes no sense, right? I wouldn't place any open long order. I wouldn't open any long position here just because it's closing to all-time high. Oh, okay. Look at this. Wow. Okay. Breakthrough. Yay. All right. Awesome. So yeah, let's get back to Cardano. I will hold. I'll hold for the consolidation to come back out. At least I wouldn't be trading here. I'll probably wait here. I'll wait for it to come back. It does make sense, right? Well, some people might be asking, right? What if it goes up, right? Well, it goes up, right? What we're trying to do is to minimize your risk. You cannot just focus on the profitables, the profit, but overlook the potential risk, because you could be making a lot of money and then one day you could just lose everything. All right, so that's it for today. I'll probably update in the evening again. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you later today.